Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling city, stood a grand and imposing main gate, guarding the entrance to a magical realm of endless possibilities. As the gates swung open, they revealed a world where creativity knew no bounds, where imagination soared higher than the tallest towers. But this wasn't just any ordinary gate. No, it was a gateway to innovation, a portal to dreams waiting to be realized. One day, a curious architect stumbled upon this magnificent gate. Inspired by its beauty and history, they embarked on a journey to reimagine its design, to breathe new life into its weathered. They envisioned a gate adorned with intricate carvings, each telling a story of the land it protected. A gate that would stand as a testament to the ingenuity of its creators for centuries to come. With each stroke of the hammer and chisel, the gate began to transform, taking on a new identity while still honoring its past. As the final touches were put in place, the architect stepped back to admire their masterpiece. The gate now stood as a beacon of hope, inviting all who pass through to dream big and reach for the stars. And so, dear listener, as you ponder your own journey of creation, remember the power of transformation. Like the main gate, you too can breathe new life into your ideas and inspire others along the way. Thank you for joining us on this enchanting adventure. If you enjoyed our tale, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories of imagination and wonder.